plakkaat achter de
Kaart erop.
over de welk.
Oké.
Komt ie. What a beauty! Kawasaki A7 Avenger SS Scrambler 1970. Very happy with this bike. I think it will be the first floor for my own collection. Okay, top! Good morning from the Netherlands. Arrival of a very beautiful Kawasaki Avenger SS 350 Scrambler edition 1970. And this bike is unrestored, completely original. Beautiful paintwork. And with only 4,687 miles. And this is a stickerage on it. You can take it off. It's amazing condition, this one. I think one of the most beautiful original bikes of this year. Everything is original. With drum brake, beautiful exhaust, and the paintwork, yeah, it's amazing. Choke level on the handlebar. And we're going to make a video starting it up later. And it sounds fantastic. What a beauty. And I'm afraid this one will stay at my shop, because I'm a collector myself too, and this one is so beautiful. You see, totally original. And I might get it imported to the Netherlands and ride it once in a while. Well, wish I could find a bike like this every week. Well, keep following us on our YouTube channel, subscribe, and then we'll start up the bike. I think maybe Saturday or next week. You can hear it and see it running. And will also be posted on social media, VintageMotorcycles.nl, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you. Bye bye. Good afternoon from sunny Netherlands. Blue sky. We have a lot of audience today, and a very rare. Sorry for the noise. A very rare and special Kawasaki, the 350 Avenger SS 1970. It's the Scrambler original. What a beauty. Really? It has only 4,680 miles, and I was lucky enough I could buy it from the first owner in Belgium. Paintwork original, everything original. And finding a bike like this happens a couple of times a year, no more. So I decided to keep this one for my own collection. Look at the paintwork, original stickers on it, and even don't ride over 6,000 RPM for the first 300 miles sticker. How cool is that? Original seat, drum brake. This side, another dent, scratch. Amazing looking bike. I sell it when I find one that's even more beautiful, but I think that's very difficult. Well, if you like the video, please follow us on our social media platform, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Subscribe on our YouTube channel and visit the website. Thank you. Bye bye.